Hey crafty friends, this is Mary. I've got a new card sketch for you today. Welcome back to Cardz TV, everyone. I am so glad you're here. I hope you're all staying well, staying calm, and staying inside like we're supposed to, right? And while we're all stuck inside, we can take that time and make some cards to send to our family and friends, let them know we're thinking about them. So here's one I went ahead and made from this card sketch. This is sketch number 32. You can find all 32 sketches over at my blog, cardztv.blogspot.com. They're all free to download, guys. Just look under the title and you'll see Mary's Card Sketches. Just click that and it will take you to all 32. And you just download them wherever you keep your photographs. And you can keep them there for reference, or you can print them out and do like I do. I put them in a little booklet so I can just flip through and pick the one I want. Okay, guys, this was made with a garden party paper pad from Pebbles, one of my favorites. And this has got 2 sheets of cut-aparts. They're the same, but you can make so many cards using this sketch and these cut-aparts and these gorgeous papers. And all I did was cut out this little watering can and this adorable little ladybug. I cut my 1¼ inch white squares, put the watering can on and the ladybug, and then this one I just stamped Hello Spring. Then I looked at the rest of my measurements and put my card together. Super quick and easy. But we're going to use something else for the card we're going to make today. I just got this in the mail. This is from Hot Off the Press, and they sent an email out. I get them from time to time. Showing me some things they had for Easter, papers and stamps and things. Now these are silicone stamps. I don't usually get silicone because you can't ever be too sure, you know, about the quality and how well they'll stamp. But the bunnies were so cute. And it's got a little carrot. So I went ahead and ordered them. And as I said, I just got it in the mail. So we're going to use this for our card today. I think we're going to use the butterflies for today's card, and then we'll use one of these cute little bunnies in the next video for another card. I've got my card sketch and I've got my envelope with everything I need to make this card, and this is why I call this Card Kit and Caboodle Sketches, because what I do, I take my envelope and my card base, I go ahead and get my sketch, I cut out all my pieces, I get them all stamped and ready to go, put them in my card base, put that back in my envelope, and just set this aside. And when I need a card, I can pull this out and get this ready real quickly. It just really saves time when you're in a hurry, you're on your way to a birthday party, you need a quick card. These Kit and Caboodle card sketches can be a lifesaver when it comes to times like that. Now, if we look at the sketch, I'm going to turn it sideways so we can read it. Our card base is 4¼ by 5½. Then we have this yellow and white gingham, and it's 4 by 5¼ But I like to put an additional darker mat behind this one, so I just cut a black mat at 4⅛ by 5�3. I'm going to get that on the front of my card. Then I went ahead and I cut my border pieces. This little black and white piece is 1/2 inch by 5¼ inches. And this cute little flowered piece with the black background, which is this border right here, this is 1¾ inches by 5¼ inches. So I've already got those cut out. I'm going to go ahead and get all of this attached to the front of my card, and I'm going to use some art glitter glue. I just love that. I think that is so pretty. Now you can see these are my 1¼ inch white squares, and I went ahead and stamped a butterfly on this one, and then this one I stamped Hello Spring, And these are the 2 butterflies from this hot off the press bunnies stamp set. I use this one here and this one, and they stamped really nicely, guys. I wasn't sure since they're silicone stamps, but I think they turned out really pretty. Now, to get the matching blue and that darker yellow, I used my Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend markers. This blue is True Blue Blend, and that is TB2, TB3, and TB4. And then this lighter and darker yellow is Gold Brown Blend, and it is GB1, GB3, and GB5. I think that blue matches really nicely. So these are 1 1/4 inches, the white squares, just like we have here, but I wanted to back them in black to make them pop from this background. So I cut my black squares at 1 3/8 each. I'm going to get these attached to the black with my art glitter glue, and then I'm going to take some foam tape and get these popped up before I put them on the card, just to give it a little bit more dimension. But I think this is going to be gorgeous. Here are my 2 finished cards using the Cardz TV Card Kit and Caboodle sketch number 32. And don't forget, guys, you can pick up all 32 sketches over at my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com, free to download. Now, I did go back and I added these glittery enamel dots. These came from Close to My Heart, and the color is called Julep. I think they are so pretty, and they added just a little bit of sparkle to this card. It just needed a little something, so that added a lot to it. And this card is much prettier in person than it's coming across on the camera. But this one, oh my goodness, I love this one. Now, I used Close to My Heart papers for this. This was from a kit where I had some papers left from last year, and that's what I love about their kits. They give you so much that you always have some left, and you can keep right on using it till it's all gone. But you get lots of cards from their kits. But look at that, guys. That blue matches so well. The blue flowers in there. And I love those butterflies, and I'm so glad I got that stamp set. I got it on Amazon, but it's from hot off the press, and it's called Bunnies. But I think this one's my favorite of the 2. So there we go, guys. Thank you all so very much for coming by today. Like I said in the beginning, I hope you're all staying well, and just keep your spirits up and try to do something for someone else. And this is a great way to do that, guys. Make some cards. You may have some friends who are sick, and you can make them a get well card. Or just somebody needs some encouragement, or just something bright and cheerful in the mail. And either one of these would do that. So thanks again, guys. I love you all. Stay well, and I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.